Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Saksham Shetty, CMA mentor at Access Group, and welcome back to our Concept of the Day series. Today, we are going to be diving into the most important fundamental pillars of management accounting, the budget. Today's concept of the day is definition of budgeting. The National Association of Accountants USA defines budgeting as the process of planning all flows of financial resources into, within, and from an entity during some specified future period. It includes providing for the detailed allocation of expected available future resources to projects, functions, responsibilities, and time periods. From the word definition, it is clear that budgeting is an actual act of preparing the budget. It is the process in the final statement. Budget is the end product of budgeting. Remember, a goal without a budget is just a wish. Stay tuned for more insights, and as always, keep striving in excellence in your professional journey. I'm Saksham Shetty, CMA mentor at Access Group. If you have any query or want to kickstart your CMA journey, contact the number given below. And thank you and follow for more CMA.